Hello, 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 hello everyone. Wait lang muna tayo ng kahit isang viewer lang. Yes, and I'm on live again. Oh my gosh, feels like it's my first time to go for live. Yes, so I'm trying this new platform. Hopefully, makisama sa akin. It's my first time to use it. So, there you go. Hold on. And yes, 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 everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. and we are live. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's my first time to go for live for today. Actually, today is Sunday, and it's a very, very, very busy day since we had a lot of activities for the day. Seems like, oh my gosh, I haven't had my lunch. Breakfast, coffee lang, lunch, ano ba, lunch, late lunch pa, tapos ngayong gabi, I'm here on my live and I've attended the webinar. I attended the coach meeting. I'm very, very glad that one of the coaches allowed us to, join and to listen to her. So, anyways, yes, yes, yes. I'm here in California, originally from Philippines. By the way, my name is Julianne. I'm a business owner and a business mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart their online business. And time check muna tayo. Today is August 25, 2024 at 9:27 p.m. Oh my gosh, I almost forget to do my live for today. And yes, we have this 90-day success challenge, and today is our 35th day now. Ay, clap, clap, clap. It's, oh my God, tap on my shoulders. I was able to make it at 35. O, di ba? 35 na ngayon, araw na to. And for today, since today is the end of our, fifth week na, our topic for our 35th day of our 90 days success challenge is all about our insights about our fifth week on our success challenge, and it's all about time, right? How to balance time, how to have a quality time, and how to have self-care. But before that, I'm just gonna congratulate my team. Congratulations to Charisse for having a successful, they were able to close contracts with together with Sarah Saji. So congratulations to both of you. At least back to back to back to back contracts were closed for the succeeding 2 days. Wow, congratulations. And to our team having this 90-day success challenge, congratulations for getting in and having this 35 days na for the go live. And I was very, very happy that I joined them for personal growth, for professional growth, and to form a new habit. That's why I'm doing this, and especially for my business too. That's why I want to, I want to get better every day. That's why I joined this 90-day success challenge, because I want to challenge myself if I can make it. And true enough, little did I know that I will be able to make it on the 35 days na. So congratulations to everyone and congratulations to myself. Especially na hindi ko naman talaga korte itong pag-go live. So anyways, yes, aside from the back-to-back-to-back closing contracts, we were able to have this mini webinar for our team, and it was a successful. So today was the first day, and there will be succeeding days to come for our free live webinar. And where else you can ask some questions if you have some if you have doubts, if you have any queries, you can just plug in. But I will tell you if when is the next live webinar for us, for our team. So that's it. And then I was able to attend a short meeting or a coaching call, and we're in one of our successful coaches allowed us to sit in, and then was able to get some insights regarding on how to run the business. This is the beauty of our business. We're in, walang sapawan, walang damutan, at saka we have all the same business. But the beauty of it is that we are helping each other, we are really helping each other for our business to thrive and to grow. So, and we are all sharing the blessings. We are sharing all the insights, the knowledge, the learnings, and the experiences that we encountered during our journey on this business. And that's what you will get also if you're thinking of a business that you want to check, and you want to see. This is a good one because it provides, it's just like a one-stop shop wherein everything is in there, right? Like the training site, everything, they will teach everything. So from head to toe, o di ba? Hubaran na kung hubaran, but they will teach you everything. At saka wala silang tinatago, and they will share their failures, di ba? And their success in this business. So that's my day today. Wow. So it's a very, very busy day. And yes, because it was my off, so I was able to, gather some insights, learn some things, and get myself better in this business. So, yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, and thank you, Lord, for all the blessings, especially this day. It's really a blessing, blessing, blessing. Especially my special day will come by next week. So, thank you so much, guys, and thank you for my 2 million viewers. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, sa inyo dyan, and hope to see you on the inside. So yes, insights about our success challenge for this week. So we talked about time management, quality time, and how to manage your time in a proper way, in a healthy way. So yan yung mga pinag-usapan natin for the whole week, and yun yung kagandahan, eh, kung nasa challenge ka na ganito, there will be a lot of, reflections that will happen as you go along. At tsaka yung nakakatuwa, we were able to do this 90-day success challenge with our business partners. So we can do collab, and then with this collab, we were able to share. So, hindi lang yung mga friends niya, mga friends ko rin ang nakakakita sa aming mga pinaggagawa, which is a very, very good thing. And insight, ano nga ba ang insights na na yung pinakamabigat siguro is through this, parang wake up call na parang it's a wake up call for me to have this to realize, to have this challenge for this week about time management. Wake up call because as I do my this challenge every day, and we talked about time, I was able to reflect on what I have done, or what are my the things that I do along the way, 'di ba? Kung nag-improve ba ako as a person as time goes on, or there are some things ba na dapat i-correct as time goes on, mga ganong bagay. And the most important thing is, yes, having a quality time with your loved ones, which is a very, 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 very important thing, na yun yung parang na-realize ko at nagtikal sa puso ko, na yung parang kahapon lang, parang dun ko naramdaman na alam mo yun, there's I know that there's more time, but parang mas maraming nasayang ba, but it's still not too late to spend more time with your loved ones, especially with your kids, with your husband, especially with your husband, 'di ba? And that's the one that I realized yesterday. So yes, yes, yun lang. And for next week's activities, there will be a lot of activities for next week, especially to our business. But hopefully, as we go along, if you're following on my page, on my business page, on my Facebook page, you will see a lot of happenings going on our business. And this is the one that we really, 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 really want to share to you guys. And the one question that I always get is that, ano nga ba itong automation, 'di ba? Automation. So bakit nasabi mong automated system, or bakit nasabi mong gumagana yung business mo in the background, yet this is a business. So because business is that you have to check on it every day, right? You have to open it every day. It's just like an opening a store or opening any businesses like that. But for our digital online business, ito yung kakaiba sa iba, which for the traditional ones, because usually ngayon yung patok na ngayon is the digital online business. But having the digital online business, if you have a digital online business na yung pag naisip nyo na it's like an online store, it it's not an online store, but it's really a digital online business wherein you can make it as a side hustle or a full-time job. So there we have a proven system that works for us, wherein the system will be the one to do almost the job for you, and you just monitor it, or you will just check it in like less than an hour a day. Siguro yung max na i-spend mo is 2 hours a day. So that's yun yung kaya sa namin sinasabi na automation and this business works for you in the background. So that's what we always say. So which is yun yung kagandahan, 'di ba? Kasi ngayon, even if you have a digital online business, today, yung mga tulad ng mga, siguro yung mga iniisip niyo is just like an e-commerce, which is like an Amazon. No, it's not like an Amazon, or like an eBay. No, it's not like an eBay or Shein, ganyan. No, hindi po. It's a different type of digital online business wherein may proven system talagang gumagana para sa'yo, which does the work for you. Yun yung nakakatuwa. Kasi yung sa mga Amazon, mga ganyan, kailangan mong i-check yan every now and then, 'di ba? I-monitor yan every now and then kung may papasok sa mga stores mo, kung may mga orders, mga ganyan. Then you have to, process all those orders. But for this one, it's a kind of a different digital online business. So I want you to, if you're curious enough, then good thing, just check on my if you're looking for a business that sounds like it fits you, or best for you, that works for you, even if you have a full-time job. Because for me, I'm working as a full-time nurse. I'm a nurse by profession, and I'm working in emergency room. So we know that emergency is a very busy place, right? And every day, I'm working 12 hours, by the way, and every day it's really busy. Walang oras na pinipili yung pagiging ER nurse. So talagang lakaran 'yan, takbuhan, and nakatayo ka palagi. And I'm working 12 hours, and I found that this business fits me because it works in the background for me, even if I'm working 12 hours, and I will just spend like less than 2 hours a day. That's the beauty of it. And then voila, voila. you your business is being taken care of by our proven system. So that's the beauty of it. And at least you can just spend, because we have 24 hours a day, you work like 12 hours, and then so you have 12 hours, so maybe you will be sleeping for the 6 to 8 hours, and at least you will still have more 2 hours to go, right? So yun yung kagandahan. Yun yung kagandahan ng business na 'to, kasi yun nga, it really works for you even if you have a full-time job. So at the same time, you're working for your retirement. Yun yung kagandahan. And retirement is for an early retirement. If you're planning for an early retirement, then this really works for you. There's no harm in checking. Just check on my website, and my name is there, and my website is there, www.josonkit.com. And it really, 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 really shows you the overview of being a digital online business. But if you think that you have some queries or questions, you can directly message me. But if not, you can just go and proceed to see the black and white or the blueprint of our digital online business, and from there you can we can schedule an appointment, and then you can, if you have some doubts or questions, then you can directly send me a message, shoot me a message, and we can arrange an appointment for you. There's no commitment in here. It's always, you can retract anytime if you do, if you think that it does not fit for you. So I think that's it for now. Slowly, I can discuss you the business every now and then. The benefit of it. I know that there's a lot of digital online business nowadays, but this one is different. I'm telling you guys, and the benefits in the platform, it's different from other businesses. So if you're curious enough, just check on my website. Just enter your mail and your name and your email, I mean, at www.josonkit.com, and you will see a video or a free webinar or free workshop. And we have a live webinar every Tuesdays and Thursdays where you can interact with the people, and you will see real people in there talking or sharing their experiences in this digital online business. So I think that's it for tonight. It's just a short live for tonight, and because it's already late in here. Actually, I haven't noticed that I haven't done my 90 days success challenge. So just dropping by to say hi to everyone and hello, and yes, time to prepare again for the first day of the week tomorrow, Monday. So for sure there will be a lot of activities. So yes, again, I want to congratulate everyone for my team having those action takers, rock stars, and business. We have a new business partner, pala. Welcoming Chris from Air Force. Yeah, we have a member from Air Force already. So you see, guys, if this is we have different walks of life in here. We have Air Force, we have doctors, nurses, we have caregivers, we have sales consultants, we have nannies, we have detectives. Everyone can join in this business, and everyone can learn from it because we have a step-by-step training where they will train you, and it's an easy to learn process for this business. So I'm inviting everyone to just check it out. And what else? Yes, we have Sarah, who made her back to back to back closing of contracts for these 2 days. Right, Sarah, and congratulations! You're a really, really a rock star, and hope you will fly soar. Will you will soar high, and I know that she's a very, very shy person, but you see, she's very, very, very introverted. I was able to talk to her mom, and she said that she's very thankful that her daughter was able to join in there in this business, because she didn't expect that an introvert or shy person like her was able to join in this business. So don't worry, girl. We have your back. We're gonna support you all the way as you go along on this business. And yes, congratulations again. And I know that you can make it in this business, and the good thing is you're still young to make this business, to run this business. Okay, girl. So I'll see you in the inside, guys. Hope that you will check my website, www.josonkit.com. And I'm signing out for tonight. Have a good night, everyone. My name is Julie Ann again. I'm from Anyo, California, but originally I'm from Philippines, and I'm a proud digital business owner and a business mentor where I help individuals to jumpstart their online business. So thank you so much, guys, and see you tomorrow again. And have a good night. Thank you. Have a blessed night, everyone. Bye.